The 2007 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, airbags, dual airbags, HomeLink garage door opener, alloy wheels, front air conditioning, keyless entry, Bluetooth, cruise control. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.